Are you ready to enhance camping experience with a delicious coffee latte? If yes, then you are in for the treat. Watch this video until the end because I'll be demonstrating how to craft a mouth-watering latte complete with a beautiful latte art, all with the help of this amazing machine. Wait no more, let's do it together now. First of all, allow me to introduce you to the frothing machines from Cofior. Hope I'm pronouncing right. This innovative gadget is designed to froth milk quickly and easily without the need for electricity like those fancy commercial coffee machines. All you need is a simple fire stove to get the job done. Say goodbye to complicated setups and also hello to hassle-free camping coffee perfections. Alright, let's start off with the specifications. Obviously, this entire thing made of strong stainless steel and its weight of 525 grams only. Internally, it features rubber insulations while the outer layer is coated with a durable black rubber for the handle. The additions of a wooden handle make it easy to grip, enhancing user experience. This part can rotate 360 degrees effortlessly, which looks like this, allowing you to position it wherever you need to froth your milk. And of course, these machines from Cofior, the pressure gauge is a crucial one, boosting a 4-bar pressure with the safety nuts compatible with your BLT, which looks like this, ensuring optimal performance. The bottom piece, which is this, is not included, assuming you already have owned a BLT. However, if you are using your BLT for brewing coffee, you may want to consider purchasing an additional one more for frothing the milk, for saving you time. Lastly, it comes in 2 sizes. Specifically for the bottom of the BLT, you can refer to the measurements provided in the pictures that I've shared. Alright, after sharing with you guys all the specifications with all these features, right, you're all set to take your camping coffee experience to the next level. Lastly, if you are interested, there are some additional accessories available for purchase. By default, the nozzle head, which is this one, comes with a 1 hole only. However, if you prefer 3 holes nozzle head, you may consider purchasing the extra option. Here are the instructions manual. And I will skip this part, but don't worry, I will focus on the demonstrating how to use the Cofior froth machine in this video, making easy for you to follow along with the simple steps. Alright, before we get started from steps 1, right, item to prepare to get started, you obviously need a Cofior machine. Additionally, have 2 stainless steel pots from BLT and another one from a different brand that I purchased, which comes in black, which looks like this. Next, make sure you have 2 stoves ready to go. I'll be using a common fire stove and also an alcohol fire stove, which looks like this. The alcohol fire stove, it will be perfect for brewing the coffee grounds with a 2% BLT, while the common fire stove will be used for frothing the milk at the same time. Alright, for our latte, I've chosen Dutch Lady brand full cream milk, which has been a flavor for our taste preferences. The milk jar, of course, for frothing the milk, I'll be using the range in size from 120 ml to 350 ml. However, a single person latte, we only need 180 ml that we are using. I'll be also using a thermometer to ensure a consistent heat in the milk, preventing it from boiling over. Alright, next, the grinding coffee beans machines. The brand that I'm using is called Timecode. And lastly, it's always handy to have a semi-cloth wet nearby for cleaning up any spills. Welcome to SnowMakerTV YouTube channel. My name is Snow. What I do best for SnowMakerTV YouTube channel mainly focus on outdoor adventures such as camping moment and also coffee content. If you haven't subscribed to SnowMakerTV YouTube channel, please click that subscribe button and also share and like with your friends and family. You will definitely support this channel a little. Alright, before we start, right, dismantle the BLT pot, which just looks like this, and now fill the water into these two pots. To brew coffee for 2 people, fill the water in the pot up to the nut, which just look like this. As for frothing the milk, pour in around 100 to 150 ml, which is approximately half of the pot's capacity. Before diving into the main demonstrations, let's take a quick step back and grind the coffee grounds. And of course, I will fast forward through this part of the video since our focus today is primarily on the milk frothing machine. And now we have our coffee grounds ready. Let's gently place them into the BLT tray. We will begin by brewing the coffee grounds first, as this process may take some time, especially since we are using the alcohol stove. Alright, it's worth noting that using a stronger fire stove is advisable for frothing the milk, as the machine requires more firepower to maintain pressure in the pot. Finally, let's kickstart at step 1. Light up the stove and put the brew coffee mocha pot on the stove, and leave it approximately around 1 minute. Only start boiling the Cofior machines for frothing the milk. Alright, now we're at step 2. After approximately 1 minute, begin boiling the Cofior machine and keep a close eye on the pressure gauge. Once it reaches 4 bars, you are good to go ahead and froth the milk. Now we're at step 3. Remember to turn the knob a little bit to release the water retention inside this Cofior machine. I won't go into details on how to froth the milk in this video, as our main focus is on the Cofior machine. Gently turn the knob. Avoid fully loosening the knob, as this can release pressure too quickly. Now we are at step 4. And step 4 involves a lot of multitasking. So keep an eye on both the brewing machine and the frothing process with the Cofior machine. Once you have finished frothing the milk and the coffee grounds have been brewed, it's time to pour the milk into the delicious brew coffee. All while keeping an eye on the temperature using the thermometer. As reaches almost 60 degrees Celsius, that's where we start to stop frothing the milk. Alright, as you can see, it's already done. Nice little foam here. Then I shall off the fire now. After froth the milk, remember to clean the nozzle head. Smooth and silky, pound away all the bigger bubble on the milk. Pour the coffee approximately for 1 person, maybe a little bit more. Alright, and this is how it looks like. Finally, our last step, which is step 5, pour the frothed milk into the brew coffee to create your favorite latte art. Enjoy! Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys may have other suggestions on the related topic on camping adventures, please leave your comment in the section below. I will definitely do this video for you guys. Hope to see you guys again. Cheers and peace out!